How to select which apps to block from opening Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on Security and Privacy. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Internet Privacy Protection. Now scroll down. And from here, tap on Block Apps from Opening Internet. From here, go down the list and select the apps that you want to allow or block apps from opening Internet. So for example, Grammarly, if you want to block it, you can tap on it, or Fortnite, you can tap on the toggle to switch it on to block this app from opening a website in Samsung Internet. Tap on the left hand side will give you some information. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.